Stop struggling with English. Learn it the easy way with Laps Pro. You won't believe how simple it can be. Imagine this: speaking English fluently with confidence. At Laps Pro, our courses are designed just for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, we've got you covered. Our friendly trainers and fun, interactive lessons make learning English a breeze. Join thousands of students who have unlocked their potential with Laps Pro. From grammar to conversation skills, we make sure you get the best learning experience. Plus, with our flexible schedules, you can learn at your own pace. No more boring textbooks or endless drills. With Laps Pro, learning English is exciting and engaging. So what are you waiting for? Take the first step to mastering English today. Visit Laps Pro and start your journey to fluent English. Remember, at Laps Pro, your success is our mission. Let's make English your superpower.